Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial. So for the database we are going to use the Firebase. It is quite easy and popular in this development process. So let's just go to the Firebase and just go to console. Okay. Then create a project. Okay. So let me enter the name. Suppose face attendance real time. I think I put down my name there. Just click confirm. Just for this project. Okay. Then next, there's this locus from select Bangladesh from there. Let's create this. Okay. Our project is creating.
बाहर के उजाले मुझे क्या राह सुझाए बाहर के उजाले मुझे क्या राह सुझाए
Okay. So project is ready. Just let the configure. Okay. Now look. Let's create the build button and build database. Okay. So let me just finish it. Okay. We're going to set in test mode. Okay, not the lock mode. Then enable test mode. Okay. Okay. So the database is now set up. Okay. Done. This one, and then we will go again with the storage. Okay. So here we can see our storage. Storage. Obviously in text mode, and then it is creating the default bucket. Okay, or storage bucket. Now here we go with the Python. Okay. So generate a new private key. Okay. Then generate. We create the database and now we add the content on database. Okay. Now that we will copy this code, we paste the copied file that we copied from the section. Paste it. Okay. Import Firebase admin and the code we copied. Okay. So right now we have these success codes. Okay. And now if you see that it doesn't create any error, doesn't is work perfectly. Okay, so database is added successfully. Okay, then look, just go to your Firebase account and just copy the reference URL, then go to there and the code here. You find the URL. URL database URL. Then let it copy. Be done. We're going to add the reference database. Names of the student. So what it will do that it will insert the code that I input here. It will automatically update to our database on files. Okay. So that means save that students is different data and put this as a JSON format. Here the one is the ID, state ID, and have the name. Suppose the name is Lionel Messi, is robotic, starting year is 2018. Whatever this directive, and it where that for key value, key value, to the yes, the client is navigable selfie and the so suppose right now we don't have any database like that is all and is now that when I click on the database, so let's go to the where the database is added and its real-time database instance is added. Okay, so that is the process actually. Now you can see all that this the student section. You can see the folders that I have added. The ID number 1, 2, 3. And ID number 1 is the his name, his middle subject, and last attendance system. And here the second one, and that is the third one. So everything will be added automatically in the database, and that is the called a real-time database. So that we make these things. Okay. Suppose if I change the name, okay, look our database, that is the real database. Students are number one. What is the name? Reunion message. Okay, so if I change the name, just put it here on the Leo message. Okay, to change the name. Okay. Then just update it. That doesn't any error is showing, so that is updated. So let's go to the Firebase and let's see the database is updated on the real time. Use your message, and that's it. Whatever we do any kind of changes, it will be changed automatically, and that is the called real-time database. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.
बरसों नहीं सदियों से, बरसों नहीं सदियों से मैं बीमार